Jordan is motivated by the commitment to our patients and their families while advocating for them and protecting their health and safety. Living Caritas and the vision and mission of Gunderson Health System is something that comes naturally to Jordan. I'll give specific examples shortly, but first I'd like to speak to some of the skills and values Jordan brings to psychiatric nursing and IBH. Jordan is kind, compassionate, has patience when some of us have lost ours, and is a strong leader. She is a charge nurse, recently learned the discharge nurse role, preceptor to new nurses, interns, and students. She's a core staff nurse for the adolescent unit. She's the chairperson on the Trauma-Informed Care Committee, and eventually will join the BERT team. She wears many hats, and it is evident that she is compassionate about enhancing the health and well-being of our communities while distinguishing herself through excellent patient care, which is one of Gunderson's vision and mission. She enjoys doing research and presenting the findings to staff to educate us on topics she is passionate about. In the past, she did a webinar on maternal mental health and presented her learnings at a staff meeting. She has led the annual TIC education at our staff meetings for the past few years. I'd now like to share how Jordan practices in alignment with 3 of the Caritas. Number 1, embrace altruistic values and practice loving kindness with self and others. Jordan acknowledges acts of kindness, being that she is the chairperson on the TIC committee. She values and advocates for self-care for staff, patients, and herself. We have a clothes closet filled with clothes, shoes, coats, etc. for patients to either wear while they're here or to keep. Jordan organizes events near holidays, which collects new clothes or other items for the closet. She organizes different fundraisers by selling soup and bread for TIC, donating much time, energy, and materials to those efforts. Most recently, she coordinated a fundraiser to raise money for a new massage chair for our department. She set up a self-care basket in the meditation room for staff, donating much of the items herself. She initiated in our department gratitude cards that she hand makes herself that staff can buy. Caritas number 4, develop helping, trusting, caring relationships. As mentioned before, Jordan is one of the core adolescent nurses. Most of the adolescents are not very forthcoming with staff. One particular example I remember is Jordan working with a child who had a terrible abuse history, and after a few shifts working with this child, she was able to get her to smile and talk to us about what can be done to help her. Caritas number 5, promote and accept positive and negative feelings as you authentically listen to another's story. Recently, we had 2 very challenging patients on our adult acute care unit. Jordan was able to calmly allow one of the patients to share her feelings without fear or judgment, which in the end, that patient was agreeable to take medication, which she needed because she was very psychotic. Staff were also very frustrated, and Jordan's calm demeanor got us all through that weekend. Now that you may have envisioned what type of nurse Jordan is and what she offers her coworkers, patients, in our community, I hope you too see how wonderful of a nurse in person Jordan is. Her unconditional, compassionate affection for her nursing colleagues, other health professionals, our patients, and herself is the reason she should receive this year's Nurse Excellence Award as an experienced nurse. I have many other great things that I could say about you, but they limited me to only 500 words, which this was exactly that. And P.S., you're my date.
I am so honored to receive one of this year's Nurse Excellence Awards. I can honestly say it came as a huge, though very much appreciated, surprise. I am grateful for the recognition from my peers that led to my nomination. I hope they know that winning this award could not have been possible without the inspiration I have and will continue to receive from them. My passion for my work, my patients, and my team is immeasurable. They will all remain a driving force in my journey to continuing to strive for excellence.